What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. Hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful day. So I wanted to take some time here to give you guys an update and what I'm doing with my trailing stop loss and talk to you about my calls that I'm going to hold until Friday and just walk you through an update on the market. All right. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. Hit me with a 1 if you can hear me loud and clear. So what we have here, guys, is this is pretty nasty. We have this death doji setup. Okay. And as you can see here, guys, this is the futures market. And we went to a high today of 49.33 and a quarter, and we shot right back down. Okay. So we shot right back down. And if we look at the hourly chart, we can actually see all the selling coming in. Boom, 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 boom. All right. So as you guys know, I've been up on this uh, on this trade for a while, and I'm gonna just take Hey guys, apologize about that. I swapped over my end again. Hit me with the 2 if you can hear me. My bad. I got to get this internet thing sorted out. It's been hard on the road. Hopefully I can figure it out within the next few days or so. Anyways, all right, let's get back to the chart. Okay, so what I'm doing right now, guys, is I have moved my trailing stop loss to this low right here. Okay, so I've moved my trailing stop loss to this low, and I'm going to use that to protect. And as you can see here, we had that run up and that push down. Let me go ahead and just get the P&L so I can show you guys how this works. Put it in here. All right. So at the peak this morning, I was up $8,335 on one contract. This pushback here has brought me down to 7,000. I'm using a trailing stop loss using this swing low, and this is going to guarantee me $6,000. Okay. Hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. So, this is going to guarantee me $6,000, and I'm giving it room, guys. I gave it a lot of room. So this room right here was $2,000 worth of room that I gave it. And the reason I'm giving it room is because there is no really any resistance above. Here's the monthly chart here. Here's the weekly chart. There's no resistance above. Okay. There's nothing above. So that's one of the reasons why I'm not aggressively just taking my profit, because I don't know if this thing wants to keep running. Again, if it wants to keep running, guys, I have to let it run. All right. So anyways, wish me luck on this one here, guys. I'm just gonna let it go, okay? And I'm gonna guarantee at least 6,000 out of this 8,335. And that's how you manage risk. Always understand you're never gonna get all of the move. It's impossible to get all of the move. Okay, it really is. And then with SPY, same thing here with SPY, guys. So I'll show you here on SPY. I'll walk in here. So with SPY today, we got to a high of 1669. Okay. And I bought 2 of these contracts at 380 each. So that's 340% return on these calls. And I will hold these into Friday no matter what, because my style with options is I hold to expiry. All right. Because I take a risk. When I take options, I take a big risk. Okay. Because I use most of the premium. I'm willing to risk the premium. So if I'm willing to risk the premium, I'm going to go to the end. Okay. I'm not going to have an inverted risk to reward. So meaning I'm not going to risk the premium and then turn around and take a 10% gain, because that's inverted. Okay. Hit me with 2 if that makes sense. How did you set stop loss based on percentage? So this right here is a 3x multiple. Okay. So I'll walk you through how to do that. So that's a good question, brother. So let me show you how to set a 3x multiple. Okay. So we'll go back here to ES. I'll show you. Okay. So we'll move this in the corner, move this in the corner. All right. So I'll go back here. Let me find the original long. So that's just our on the wrong channel. My bad. To go here. Fibonacci Dragon. Okay. So 47.54 was our initial entry. You can see filled. This was back on the 17th. Okay. So I'm going to draw a line here and I'm going to show you how to manage in terms of multiples. So I'm going to double click here and I'm going to type in 4754. Okay. All right. So this right here, guys, the reason I bought 4754 was based on this Fibonacci like that. Okay. All right. So my initial risk was long on 618 and I used a stop loss on the 90%. Okay. So I'm going to delete that now. And what you're going to see here is this is showing me my risk to reward. So as I move it up, my risk to reward increases. So now if I move it right below this candle where I'm at, that's about 3.27 times my money. Okay. So I risked $2,000 on this trade. So that's why I'm going to make 6,000. So if I had risked 5,000, I made 15,000. If I risked 10,000, I made 30,000. Hit me with the 7 if that makes sense. Why not just take one SPY off and hold the other one to expiry? Definitely could do that, bro. But it's not huge size for me compared to my capital. So I'm gonna go for a lotto. Okay, you can definitely take it out anytime. Doesn't the time kill premium? It does definitely kill premium, but this market can rip. On Friday, we can gap up massively. And if we gap up massively, these are gonna be up more. Okay, that's what I'm playing for. All right. I'm gonna at least double those calls. So that's that's my thought process. But this is the death doji though. I mean, this is the start of every reversal. Every textbook reversal has either a engulfing bear bar or a doji like this. But you also have to remember, guys, if we go to the daily chart for SPY, we also had a very similar setup yesterday. So there's your doji. Then the next day we had an inside bar, and then after the inside bar, gap up. Okay, so that can also happen. And if this squeezes, if this wick squeezes, if we break through this wick here, I think we're gonna blow the roof. All right, hit me with the 4 if that makes sense. So that's what I'm playing for as well. I have a trailing stop for protection, but if you guys want to squeeze this out, if the bulls want to squeeze that out, you better believe that I'm going to be up because I did the hard work of buying over here. Okay, this is the hard part, is buying the dip, because a lot of people think the market's going to crash. So the hardest part is buying when no one wants to buy. Buying now is easy. That's why I won't be doing that right now. All right. Okay, guys, one thing to show you, if we go back to the fibs, which is really important, if I go low to high here, if you notice, guys, this projection, I really want to explain this one to you. So if you watch closely here, we came to the 618 retracement and we traded to the 618 extension. So this is a completely measured move. Okay, so that's a pullback to 618, extension to 618. That is a very dangerous type of algo. Okay, hit me with the 10 if that makes sense. So whenever you want to find the short, whenever you want to find the reversal, take the initial pullback and project it. Okay, so that's a 61.8 projection from the high. So this right here is showing me that there's definitely some type of algo on this train. That's what I'm seeing. So this short right here, sometimes it's just a shallow drop, because some of this algo might say, okay, let me lock in some profits, but then the rest of this algo might still have more in the tank. That's why it's called trading wars. It's a battle between the bulls and the bears. Rich, using fib retracement where is high, you think MES would go? Thanks in advance. Yeah, so just looking at this right here, so my ultimate projection is if we start to come back and hold this area, if we can hold this area here, then we would go to the 100% extension, which is 49.73, and then we'll be on our way to 5,000. Okay, so the roadmap for the bulls is 5,000. Okay, that's a big number. All right, hit me with the 17 if that makes sense. What do you think based on projections? Yeah, so if the bull, so what we would see for the bulls is make a base here. So just, you see this base right here. If we can do the same thing on that we did here, if we can copy and paste that and put it right here, then we can build another base and then we can push again. And the ultimate goal is 5,000. Okay, that's what we're trying to put. We don't know if it's going to get there, but we're in a position. If I get to 5,000, let's project that. So let me take this and move it up. So 5,000 is right there. So if we get to 5,000, that's 6.61. So let's just say 6. That's going to be $12,000 for me. Okay, that right there. If this trade gets to 5,000, that's 6 times my money. That will be more than 10% return. Like that'll beat the whole index for the year, basically. So my goal as a trader is to beat the index. If the index is returning on average 10 to 20% or 5 to 10%, I want to be able to beat that by a big mark. So if we can get there, guys, I pretty much already beat the index. I could just take the rest of the year off. Obviously, I won't do that, but I'm just showing you the power of trading. Hit me with a 5 if you love trading. I love this game. I love futures. I love everything. It's an absolute blessing to be able to trade from your phone, from your computer, without having discrimination, without having glass ceilings, without having to deal with people, in your face and giving you directions. Okay. And I love it. I absolutely love it. And that's why I have almost 900 videos on YouTube, is because I love it. And I love you guys. Okay. That's it, guys. So let's see how we finish off here. If I don't have any regrets, I'll take my $6,000 and I'll be happy. Tradingwars.com. Check me out, my friends. I will be live streaming this Friday. Please hit the subscribe button. Okay. We took one trade last Friday and it went to break even. So I'm going to continue to show you guys how to trade futures with a micro contract. This Friday will be live around 1 or 2 p.m. Okay, I'm not sure what time yet, 1 or 2 p.m. So please hit the subscribe button. Check me out, tradingwars.com. Come sign up here, guys. Come trade with us live. Join the community right here. The power of the 618 Fibonacci. The Fib Society is our swing room. It's a one-time charge of $150, and you get lifetime access, my friends. Okay, lifetime. It's absolutely beautiful. Okay, lifetime access is very beautiful. Okay. And that's where we go through all these plays that I'm going through, guys. I really want to have a lifetime for people. I think lifetime takes a lot of pressure off, because if you sign up for a month and you don't get the results you want in a month, you can quit. In trading, you can quit the service, you can quit everything. You can quit the community. But this is a big battle. I take 3 to 4 to 5 to 600 trades a year, okay, in everything that I do. So you have to be able to get those reps in. And that's what this whole program is designed for, if you guys are interested. All right. Thank you so much, my friends. That's why I'm trying to learn to trade. I don't care to deal with people's bullshit. Me too. 100% agree with you, brother. Fib Society for the win. All right. Lifetime winner is going. I'm going to announce right here. So remember, guys, I do these giveaways every single week. So if I don't call your name right now, you don't worry. Don't feel disappointed. Just keep supporting, keep commenting, keep keep subscribing, and eventually you have a very good chance of being the winner. So the winner today for lifetime is Reggie Jones. Okay, Reggie Jones, longtime supporter. He's always commenting. So I'm going to give it to him today. Reggie Jones, you are the winner. I hope you're watching this video. Email me, rich@tradingwars.com for your lifetime access and your book. Thank you for your time, my friends. Let's finish this week strong. I want to kill it. All right. And I'll see you on Friday live stream. Hit the subscribe. Thank you, guys. Take care.